everyone, welcome to Maths IAC. Here's another slightly tricky GCSE exam style question on specific heat capacity and specific latent heat. Now this question is a little trickier than normal questions because we use both concepts in one question. It's a good question. Please pause the video, give it a try. When you're ready for the answer, press play. 2 kilograms of water at 20 degrees Celsius is converted to 2 kilograms of water at 100 degrees Celsius, which takes E1 amount of energy. This 2 kilograms of water at 100 degrees Celsius is then converted to 2 kilograms of steam at the same temperature. Now, this is the specific latent heat part. Let's call this E2. Then 2 kilograms of steam at 100 is then converted into 2 kilograms of steam at 120. This is again specific heat capacity, that's E3. So to find the total amount of energy needed, you need to find each one and you need to add them up. Now E1 is mc delta theta, m is 2, c of water 4200, delta theta is 100, take away 20, which is 80. Now, this is specific latent heat. The formula is ml. So, the mass is still 2. L, specific latent heat of vaporization is 2,260,000 joules per kilogram. So, this much. Then, finally, it's again mc delta theta because the temperature change is specific heat capacity. So that will be 2 times specific heat capacity of steam is 2000. So let's put 2000 multiplied by change in temperature is 120. Take away 100. That's just 20. So all we need to do is just put this whole thing in the calculator. So the final answer is 5,272,000 joules. If you want, you can divide it by 1000 and give the answer in kilojoules. So that will be 5,272 kilojoules. If the question does not specify in the exam, you are okay to give the units in whatever the way you like. Sometimes in the exams, the question specifies or give you answer in kilojoules, or they'll give you like a dash line like that, and at the end they put the units, so you don't have a freedom to choose whatever the unit you want. Then you'll have to go with